Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. I love to make no-bake cheesecakes as they're easy to make and are so yummy. Today I'm making a gorgeous Lindt white chocolate cheesecake topped with grated Lindt white chocolate and white chocolate truffles. Alright folks, let's get no-baking. We're starting with the Biscuit Base, crushed Digestive biscuits or graham crackers into a crumb and mix together with melted butter. Pat the biscuit crumb down with a spoon until it's nice and smooth. Pop into the fridge for about half an hour to chill. Next up is the cheesecake filling, and the first thing we need to do is break up the white chocolate and place in a heat-proof bowl and melt over a pan of simmering water. To make the filling, I'm using mascarpone cheese. You can also use full-fat cream cheese or a mix of both. Pour in the sieved icing sugar and the vanilla extract. Mix until the icing sugar is fully combined and the mixture is nice and soft. Pour in the double cream and mix again until the mixture is thick. Be careful not to overmix as you don't want the mixture to split. Add the cooled melted white chocolate and mix one final time until combined. The cheesecake filling needs to be nice and thick to get a good set because I don't use gelatine in any of my cheesecakes. That's perfect. Now we're going to get this into the tin, and there's no need to grease or line this tin as there's enough butter in the base so it won't stick. Level the top with the back of a spoon and you want a nice smooth finish. Time to get this into the fridge. It needs at least 8 hours, but preferably overnight. Here we have it. Now let's decorate. Okay, I'm going to keep things simple today. I'm just going to sprinkle some grated Lindt white chocolate over the top, covering it completely. Finish off with some white chocolate Lindt or Truffles, or any white chocolate of your choice. I've got lots of other lovely no-bake cheesecake recipes on my channel, including a gorgeous white chocolate and raspberry cheesecake. Why not check it out? That's it, all done. Now wasn't that really easy? Wait till you see this cheesecake when I cut it. Look at that. Nice, thick and firm. There's nothing worse than a cheesecake melting when you slice it. This Lindt white chocolate cheesecake is absolutely delicious. You've got to try it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you try out the recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Happy baking, everyone.
Scrummy!